Can you really afford to buy a home in New Braunfels right now? Because when you look at it, a lot of people are shocked when they hear the real numbers. And I'll be honest with you, it's not as simple as it used to be, even though New Braunfels is still more affordable than Austin, San Antonio. But when it comes to first-time home buyers, here are some real challenges that they are running into. So guys, stick with me because in this video, we're going to break down these numbers and we're going to go over the real cost of buying here and see what options that you have are available to you if you're trying to get into the market for the very first time. So here's what we're covering in the video today. First thing is why home prices in New Braunfels are squeezing out the first-time home buyers. But I also want to talk about how today's mortgage rates are limiting about what you can actually afford. But in addition, looking at what income you really need to buy here and the competition between the resale homes and new construction home incentives. And finally, the programs and resources that can actually help make this very possible for you. And what I'm hoping you're going to get at the end is you're going to have a much clearer picture about where you stand and whether buying a New Braunfels is still in reach for you. So let's start with the very basics. Affordability. Guys, so when you compare to Austin, where the average home will run you in between $450,000, $500,000, New Braunfels looks like a complete steal. But when you look at it, our median home values are landing in the range of $330,000 to $359,000, but there is a catch. Prices alone are not going to tell the whole story because affordability isn't just about what the sticker price is on the home, but it's about what it costs you every single month. So when you factor in high mortgage rates, the property taxes, insurance, and just everyday living expenses, that affordable home can start to feel like it's just really out of reach really quick. So what that does, that leads us right into the biggest challenge that first-time home buyers are facing today. That is the interest rates, right? Because when you look at interest rates right now, and I know they're lowering, but they're still hovering on average in between 6.5% and 7%. And I want you to think about this in this way. Every time a mortgage rate jumps by just 1%, your buying power drops by roughly 10%. So if you qualify for a home that's $350,000 when rates were lower, today you may only qualify for $315,000. And when you look at it, guys, this is where a lot of buyers are just getting stuck. You're pre-approved. You saved up your down payment and you're ready to go, but that monthly payment is just way higher than what you expected. So let's be honest. Nobody wants to become house poor, right? Do you? I know I don't. And people are having to be a lot more conservative with their finances right now. And from what I'm seeing, that is reflecting into the buyer sentiment, especially all across New Braunfels right now. So the question becomes how much money do you actually need to make a buy here? And this answer may actually surprise you. When you look at the hard truth, to comfortably afford a medium price home in New Braunfels, you need to be earning just a little bit over $88,000 per year. That's a lot of money, right? Let that sink in. So that's a level of income just to keep your housing costs in line with what the lender is considering affordable. So when you look at this, first-time home buyers, especially when you look at younger couples, guys, or even just single professionals, that number can feel like a mountain that you just cannot climb. But look, it's not impossible, but it's definitely a higher bar than what many people expected when they first thought about buying here. And when you look at it, this is one of the biggest reasons why people are just starting to feel like they're priced out, right? Now, if you're a seller, if you're listening to this, you know what else making things tricky is competition, right? Resale homes aren't just competing with the resale homes anymore. They're now competing with new construction homes. And when you look at these new construction builders, they're offering some really aggressive incentives, rate buydowns, closing cost assistance, and even discounts off that base price of the home. Now, for buyers, that sounds really great, right? You see that you're getting more value because you're getting that low monthly payment, but it also creates a very strange market dynamic where first-time buyers are trying to figure it out, right? Do you go with the resale where you can have instant equity, or do I take advantage of the builder incentives and potentially get that lower monthly payment to make that math work out even better for you? Guys, I want you to think about something, because if you're just sitting there thinking this does sound impossible, let's talk about a few of these lifelines that are actually available to you, right? So here's the good news. I mean, there are programs out there that are designed to help you. I mean, New Braunfels does have access to things like the CDBG home repair funds for certain homeowners, but most importantly, for first-time home buyers, there are down payment assistance programs that are available. I have several buyers that have went out into these programs, and it helped them cover their upfront cost. It lowered their monthly payments, but in some cases, it may even open the door where your home might not be otherwise able to afford. And one thing I do like to tell my clients is just don't assume that you're alone in this. A lot of people leave a lot of money on the table just simply because they didn't know about these programs or whether they existed or not. So when you look at it, I mean, is New Braunfels becoming unaffordable for first-time home buyers? I mean, guys, when I look at this honestly, yes, it is getting tougher, but it's not impossible. I mean, prices are rising, yes. Interest rates are eating to the buying power. Those are starting to suppress a little bit. And the income required is higher than what most first-time home buyers just expected. But here's what I want you to take away from this. Buying here is still possible. It just takes planning, creativity, and sometimes just tapping into resources that you don't even know about. So if you're serious about making New Braunfels your home, don't give up. I mean, let's sit down, let's talk about it, let's take a look at the numbers. I work with lenders that work very, very well with first-time home buyers. And let's try to map out the strategy that's going to work for you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button because I share videos like this every single week because I want to help you navigate our local market.